In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove search button on iPhone home screen. iOS 16 gives us that search button or search icon on the home screen. You can tap on that to bring up search, and if you want to hide or remove that button from here, that's easy to do so. Just follow these simple steps. So first, open up settings, then scroll down and get into home screen. And here you can easily find Show on Home Screen feature. It's toggled on. You can hit at that switcher to toggle this feature off. Now you can hop out settings, and right here at the bottom, as you can see, there are now dots that equals to a number of your home screen as in iOS 15. And now if you want to use search, you can just swipe down at any place on your home screen just like that, and that gives you a search. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.